Welcome to my channel. Here we have 5 plus 6 times 2 to the power of 2 minus 5. So first of all, solve our exponent, which is 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4. So we'll be on our 5 plus 6 times 4 minus 5. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 times 4 minus 5. So 11 times 4 is 44. Then 44 minus 5. 44 minus 5 is 39. So 39 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not solve with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction. So we work from our left to our right in order to arrive in a very good answer. So let's dive into the right answer to this question. So first of all, solve our exponent, which is 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. So we done our 5 plus 6 times 4 minus 5. So first of all, we solve our multiplication because it comes first before addition and subtraction. So 6 times 4 will give us 24. Then bring down our 5 plus 24 minus 5. Then we have addition and subtraction here. We first of all solve our addition because addition and subtraction have equal priorities. So we'll move from our left to our right. So 5 plus 24 will give us 29. And 29 minus 5. 29 minus 5 is 24. 24 is the right answer for this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.